Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is April 6th. We do have things, well, starting off in the red. And so corn, only down a penny. We've seen a little strength since that report last week. So can we see a little more strength out of corn yet? We may. But beans falling back a couple cents overnight. Wheat down about 6. So wheat starting to get into that territory that we were at pre-report. But with the wheat, a lot of focus is some rain coming through these plains, really helping things out. And with the idea of rain, well, we're getting good rain through most of the Corn Belt, and that's going to continue. I have already heard this morning that we're going to see some planting delays now, and the term was that Iowa wasn't going to, northern Iowa wasn't going to end up seeing, or we're not going to be able to plant at all this month. Be careful with this. A lot of emotion out there, guys. A lot of emotion. But looking at things here as we move, yes, we're getting some good rain across almost the entire Midwest. That's fine. Guys, it's April 6th, so still early. We'll have to watch some of these weather forecasts as we go, but a lot of chatter of delays. We'll see. But as far as wheat's starting to find some pressure here with good rains coming through. 59% good to excellent as far as the wheat crop so far. That is a little better than what we had expected. A lot of numbers were looking for 55%, coming out at 59. So we'll see what happens here as we go through the session. Now, some of the outside markets, we had the stock market that was higher. Stock futures were higher. Now they're actually down about 3 points, just crossing over into the red. Crude oil still up, though, about 70 cents. So with that said, there is an energy report out at 9:30. So the EIA numbers will be released at 9:30. Now, API, so this is the private sector numbers, came out yesterday, and they were showing a draw of 4.3 million barrels of crude. So a draw, not a build. And that's what's got crude oil a little bit higher, looking for yet a draw from the government at 9:30. So we'll see if that is the case. But the API number yesterday was at 4.3 million barrel draw. Livestock, cattle, after seeing some pressure yesterday, maybe we'll get a little support to start the morning. Box beef steady to higher, choice up 19, select up 297. So maybe we can see some hope into this cattle market. Yesterday's technical action, though, is pretty weak. So watch that here. We need to see some gains today or see some strength and hold these numbers. As far as hogs, cutout values up more than $1. We could end up seeing some support for hogs. They were down slightly yesterday, but looking at things as we move ahead here, maybe we do end up seeing some support too, especially if we can see a little support out of cattle. As I mentioned, stock market down slightly, crude oil up a little at this time, the dollar about 21 cents higher. But give us a call if you guys have questions. We are here to help you out. 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay warm out there, stay dry. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.